So this one will break and this one will bounce
Okay, why?
because it doesn't have a
Have vinegar.
vinegar.
Vinegar is an acid.
Yeah.
And it takes off calcium off the eggshell.
Your egg.
You know those
bounces.
little tiny bubbles going up?
Your egg.
These are the calcium.
This egg bounces.
Calcium molecules going up.
Try it again. Try it again on this one, and getting a little higher each time. See how high you can make it. It'll be high. What do you
After
think
7 days?
will happen if you try to bounce the egg that was in the water? Hold it on the wood and try. So you can make chicken bones so soft that you can bend them. Put a clean wishbone or leg bone into a jar of vinegar. Make sure the bones are completely covered. Leave them there for 7 days. The bones will go so soft that you can twist them into a knot. Minerals in the bone make it strong and rigid.
Rigid.
The vinegar takes away these minerals and the bone dissolves like the eggshell.
That's going to be exciting. That would be our next science experiment.
I have a question for this.
Yeah?
How will we take the egg out of the vinegar?
Vinegar. We'll throw the vinegar in the. We'll throw it away. We'll just throw it away.
Huh?
Yeah.
So we'll just throw the egg also?
What?
How do we keep the egg inside there and take it out?
No, we'll just just get rid of the water and the vinegar, and then we'll take out both eggs, one in the vinegar,
And
the other one in the
it
water.
would be easy to take this one out. We don't have to, because then it's drinking water.
Yeah.
So we just put our hand inside.
Yeah.
So wise up.
Yeah, we do use vinegar in cooking. Do you know that?
So
Yeah.
a guy is putting an egg inside the bowl.
Well,
He's saying no, not the bowl. And he bounced it off.
yeah.
Boing. No. This is the egg that was in the water. This is the egg that was in the vinegar.
So it will bounce off by itself. Do you think?
And you want to see what happens today?
I don't think so.
This egg, the water egg, will have to wear this, and the bouncy egg will have to wear
It's raining outside.
nothing. Have to wear nothing and just bounce.
What?
Yeah. But that one will break. That's the
It will become Humpty
This
Dumpty.
one will be Humpty Dumpty. This one will be fake Humpty Dumpty.
Okay.
The fake Humpty Dumpty. Remember the song Humpty Dumpty? Sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty, and a great ball.
Okay.
It looks like the imposter.
Mmm.
Yeah, it kind of looks like evil. No, he is. I'm talking about him. No, actually, this looks evil. This one, the bouncing one, looks evil.
I can bounce. I fell down, broke myself.
This one will break. This one will bounce. This is a clone. No, this is the imposter and this is another. So boing, 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 boing. It looks like this one is bouncing. Because look, it's coming from here. So look at this one. This looks like a glass of water. but
Okay,
it
boys,
has-
one question there. What's happening to this egg?
It's dissolving.
And this process is called
Decalcification.
decalcification. Yeah.
This
the
one?
the calcium on the eggshell, it's being ripped away by the vinegar. So vinegar is a very strong acid, not very strong, a weak acid, but it's an acid. It's taking away calcium from the calcium carbonate.
Is it magic?
It's not my, it's science.
It's the
Science, baby, science.
I know, it says science over here.
But when
Science is
we
good.
first put it in, why did you say the magic is already happening again?
We just term it, it's just the way we speak.
But I don't know what this is. We're working on this.
Okay, the next experiment would be with the bones. So we'll put the bone, the wishbone, in the vinegar for 7 days and see if it bends like rubber.
So the boy wants his power away.
Oh, it
This
looks.
one is evil, this one is good.
Imagine this one was.
Bye!
Imagine this one was actually evil, and this one was good, but they switched each other, and this one would break, and this one would bounce. Imagine that.
Bye bye.
That actually looks like science.
Okay,
That
so
looks like
no
science,
more
yeah.
questions, so bye bye.
No more questions?
Yes, we have more questions.
Just about this one, not any other experiment.
Okay. Mini, I'll tell you the mini quiz. The word vinegar comes from two French words, vin, which means weenie, and
Wine,
ein,
agar,
eiger,
it means sour.
which means sour. Vinegar has been in use for a long time. But how long? That is your quiz.
What is the answer?
You have to guess how long it is.
Okay. Okay. So what is the answer?
Possibly don't know.
It says when the answer.
It is also known that vinegar.
Has it been
It is also known that vinegar was used in Babylon in 5000 BC.
Who is the Babylon?
I do not know.
It's Babylon. Babylon was an old civilization. People used to live 5,000 years ago in a city or a civilization called Babylon.
What is
So it's been in use, vinegar has been in use in recorded history for at least 5,000 BC, like for 7,000 years at least. So it's a very old thing, vinegar.
This one looks very different.
Yeah.
This egg looks very different.
It looks different from the side. It looks like a really big V-shaped ball.
And it
But
looks
from
like,
top, it looks like an omelette.
and
You know why?
from this, it looks like it's put
Because we put the egg inside the water and we can see from top.
You know what? There is a thing called refraction. So, things look differently in different mediums. Like if an egg, you put it here in air, the medium is air.
Actually, it's 1 hour.
It will look normal.
It's 1 hour.
What?
It's 1 hour.
No, it's only been maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes.
Actually, why do you put a sun on it?
It's a flashlight.
Flashlight.
That looks like an eye.
Flashlight. It's not
Looks
so.
like an eye though.
Yeah, it's look like an evil eye.
And why does he have an eye?
I don't know. They're just trying to make it funny. It won't have eyes or legs or limbs, you know. And it's not going to bounce by itself. Or do you think it will?
I think it will bounce by itself.
You think it will become living?
It can't be.
It will have
it's
eyes
something
and
to
legs
eat.
and arms.
An egg is something to eat.
Yeah.
It can't. So it needs help. It needs push to move itself.
Okay.
So if we throw it, it will move. And if we just leave it alone and it bounces itself, that is impossible.
No, you're right. You're quite right. Okay, guys.
This egg is not even looking different.
What? because there's no chemical reactions on the one with water. But vinegar, as we know, vin comes from wine and agar means sour. So it's sour wine. It's been used for at least last 7,000 years. Since 5000 BC in the city called? In a civilization.
Babylon.
What?
Babylon.
Babylon. Yeah.
Babylon.
Babylon.
Babylon. No.
Yeah.
But why does it say baby?
It's not baby.
It actually
This is how they
looks
write
like-
it.
It looks like baby.
Oh, there's. I see a kangaroo hopping.